Hello and welcome back to eDakshina. I hope you guys are all well and enjoying the coding. So again I am here with a new topic in JavaScript and today's topic is optional chaining. So we will see what an optional chaining is. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. और जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है, thanks to them. We all are a team and that's why today's motivational quote is dedicated to our team. So you and I together form a team and that's why together everyone achieves more. So with this motivational inspiration, let us start today's topic optional chaining in JavaScript. तो शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. So let us see the basic definition for optional chaining operator. Alright, the operator question mark and dot. So what is the sign for chaining operator? Question mark and dot. So this is called the optional chaining operator. Okay, and it is used to perform optional property accesses and method calls in programming language like Java. Okay, so अगर हमें कोई property access करनी है या method call करना है, then we will use optional chaining operator. The operator allows you to safely access properties or call methods on an object without causing an error. Okay, so if any intermediate value in the chain is null or undefined, then there will be no error when we will access properties or call any methods of an object. So this is the basic definition for optional chaining operator, and now we will see it with the help of example. So now let us see this with the help of program. So I'm creating an object, okay, const user, and now giving some properties. So name colon eDakshina. The next property name age 1, then location Delhi, and then occupation. So I am keeping this null and in the last semicolon. Okay, so हम लोगों ने user object create कर लिया. Alright, and those who don't know how to create an object in JavaScript, they can go through the tutorial. I will share the link over here. Alright, now if we want to print the values of these properties, what we do, let us see that. So for that we create a variable. So for name I am creating username equals, then हमारा जो भी object name होता है वो लिखते हैं user and dot operator का use करते हैं for accessing the properties values. So name here. Now if I want to get it print on the console, then console.log and pass the variable name. So username here. Okay, so if we run this, we get the output eDakshina. Now let us see what will happen if we want to get the output for occupation property. Okay, so const user occupation equals user dot occupation, okay, dot salary, and get it print also. So console dot log user occupation. So why I have taken salary here? See, आपकी जो properties होती हैं, okay, वो nested भी हो सकती हैं. So properties के अंदर properties हो सकती हैं. In that case, suppose अगर occupation के अंदर आपका salary होता, then in that case some user want to access salary property, then it will show runtime error if we run this. So clear the screen and run it. So you can see cannot read properties of null. Okay, it is showing a runtime error. So to overcome this problem, what we use optional chaining. So जब हम लोग optional chaining का use करेंगे, so what you will do, simply occupation के बाद हम लोग question mark put करेंगे, clear the screen and run it. So you can see हमें first output मिल चुका है eDakshina and second का output undefined. Alright, so आपका प्रोग्राम जो है वो क्रैश नहीं किया, इट रन्स, और जो भी इसको प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू नहीं मिली वहां पे इसने अनडिफाइंड शो कर दिया. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ ऑप्शनल चेनिंग इन प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज बेसिकली हेल्पफुल व्हेन सम इंटरमीडिएट प्रॉपर्टीज हैव नल वैल्यूज. ओके, देन टू अवॉइड योर प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम क्रैशिंग, दिस इज यूज्ड. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ व्हाट इज ऑप्शनल चेनिंग एंड हाउ इट इज यूज्ड. अनदर बेसिक एग्जांपल, जैसे हम लोग रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म वगैरह फिलअप करते हैं, राइट, एंड वी डोंट इंसर्ट अवर एड्रेस और something which is optional there, but still we move on to the next page without any error showing. So in that case also optional chaining is used. Okay, so the next is it also works with the functions. Okay, so let us see that also. So simply remove all these properties. So inside our user object I have a function, okay, print function. So this is inside the user object we have print function. And now we have another user guest which is empty. Okay, so now I am going to call this print function. So user dot print and then opening and closing brace. So this is the normal form of calling any function alright, and the last semicolon. But because I have to use optional chaining operator over here, so to access the print function, what we do here is we put question mark and then dot and then our function syntax, which is opening and closing brace. Okay, and now in the next line I am calling this print function for the guest user also. Now run it. So you can see we are getting the output e-dakshina, okay, for user dot print, whereas for guest dot print we are not getting any output. So you can see optional chaining is a safe passage for using intermediate properties or function. Okay, so अगर आपकी property exist नहीं कर रही है object में, then it will not show any error and your program will easily run. But if you remove this optional chaining from here and then you will run it, so you can see it is showing an error, guest.print is not a function. Okay, but with the help of optional chaining, if you run it, then it will not show you any error. So we use optional chaining for this purpose. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, please comment in the comment box and do subscribe the channel. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल में which will be in C++. Till then, goodbye and thank you.